Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own AI avatar that looks just like you. It only takes a few simple steps, and the results are absolutely incredible. Within just a few seconds, you'll see how artificial intelligence can completely transform the way you create content. The possibilities are almost limitless. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'll be sharing even more tutorials on AI videos, AI films, and content creation completely free of charge. The best part is that anyone can do this. With the right tools and a little creativity, you'll be creating professional AI content in no time.
Seriously, guys, Google has dropped an absolutely insane update this time. With Google Gemini and Google Flow, you can create cinematic AI videos and tell incredible stories with perfect character consistency. The best part? You can even create high-quality UGC-style ads using AI, post them on Instagram, and land brand deals that could earn you thousands of dollars. Let me show you a UGC ad I created, and then I'll show you some amazing AI-generated stories that prove just how powerful this is.
Right, I wasn't planning on buying another lipstick, but everyone kept talking about this one, so I finally gave it a go. The packaging already feels really premium. Let's see if it's actually worth the hype. Oh, that's actually gorgeous. The color goes on so smoothly and it feels incredibly lightweight. I've been wearing it for hours now, had coffee, lunch, and it's still looking amazing. I definitely recommend giving this one a try. Honestly, I think I've just found my new stick.
This place is incredible.
Hey there, little guy.
Before we get started, I just want to make one thing clear. This is not a sponsored video, and there are no affiliate links anywhere in this video.
Here comes the money!
Here we go, money talk.
I'm simply showing you a free method that anyone can use. By now, you've probably already seen what Google Gemini is capable of. The quality of AI-generated content has improved a lot, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like these yourself. We'll go through the entire process step by step, from creating your AI avatar to generating cinematic images, turning them into videos, and even creating UGC ads. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Create your AI avatar. The first thing you need to do is create your AI avatar inside Google Gemini. Open Google Gemini, and once you're on the home page, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on that. Now select More Upload. After that, you'll see an option called Add Your Avatar. Click on Try Now. As soon as you click it, a QR code will appear on your screen. Now grab your phone and scan that QR code. Once you scan it, the AI avatar setup process will continue on your phone. Google Gemini will open automatically in your mobile browser. The first thing you'll see is the agreement page. Simply tap I agree. Next, Gemini will ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Allow both permissions because they're required for creating your AI avatar. Once you've given all the permissions, tap Start. Your face will now appear on the screen. Tap Start once again, and Gemini will ask you to read a few numbers that appear on your display. For example, you might see numbers like 67, 21, 47, 57, 19. Just read them naturally and clearly. This helps Gemini understand your voice and facial movements. After you're done reading the numbers, the next step is face tracking. You'll be asked to move your head in different directions. For example, look left, look right, look up, look down. Simply follow the instructions shown on your screen. The entire process only takes a couple of minutes, and that's it. Your AI avatar is now ready. The best part is that you can use this avatar to create AI videos, and you can also generate realistic AI images using the same character. Step 2. Generate cinematic AI images. Now that your avatar is ready, let's create some cinematic images. For this example, let's say I want my AI character to have a cinematic look. Instead of writing a complicated prompt myself, I simply use ChatGPT. I describe the style I want, and ChatGPT writes a detailed image prompt for me. Once the prompt is ready, I copy it and paste it into Google Gemini. Within a few moments, Gemini generates a high-quality cinematic image, and honestly, the results look incredibly realistic. Take a look at the details, the lighting, the facial expressions. Everything looks surprisingly natural. One of the best things about this feature is that it's completely free. You can generate as many images as you want without worrying about limits. So if you're creating different scenes for your story, simply generate multiple images using different prompts. We'll use these images in the next step when we turn them into AI videos. Step 3. Turn your images into AI videos with Google Flow. Now that we've created our images, it's time to bring them to life. For this, we'll use Google Flow. Just open Google Flow, and once you're on the home page, click on New Project. Now, before we start generating videos, we need a story. So let's head back to ChatGPT. Here, I'm simply going to ask ChatGPT to write a complete story for me. You can create any type of story you want: cinematic, emotional, motivational, action, horror, or even a short commercial. Along with the story, ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts, video prompts, dialogues for every scene. This makes the entire workflow much easier because everything is already organized scene by scene. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompts, copy the first image prompt. Now come back to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. Before generating the image, let's adjust a few settings. Go into Settings, select Image Mode. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio since we're creating YouTube videos. Then select the Nano Banana model. Once everything is ready, simply click Run. Google Flow will now start generating your image. It usually takes only a few seconds. And here it is. The image looks amazing. Look at the lighting. Look at the facial details. Even the background has a cinematic feel. Everything looks professionally generated. Now repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Copy the second image prompt, generate the second image, then generate the third one. Basically, create all the images required for your story before moving on to video generation. The good thing about Google Flow is that image generation is completely free. You can create as many images as you need. The only limitation is video generation. At the moment, Google Flow allows you to generate 3 videos per day, and each video can be up to 10 seconds long. So if you're making short-form content, that's usually enough. And if you're creating a longer video, you can simply continue generating more clips over the next few days. Now let's convert these images into videos. Go back to the video prompts that ChatGPT generated. Copy the first video prompt. Now return to Google Flow. Open the first image you created. Click on the 3 dots in the corner. You'll see an option called Add to Prompt section. Click on it. Now paste your video prompt. Again, go into Settings. This time, instead of image, choose Video. Double-check that everything looks correct. Then click Run. Now Google Flow will begin generating your video. Usually, this takes around 10 to 20 seconds. While it's generating, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're working hard to hit 1,000 subscribers, and your support would really mean a lot. All right, our video is finally ready. Let's play it. As you can see, the motion looks smooth. The camera movement feels natural. The lighting stays consistent. The character looks realistic, and the overall quality is honestly impressive. Now just repeat this exact same process for every remaining scene. Open the next image, click the 3 dots, choose Add to Prompt section, paste the corresponding video prompt, select Video Mode, and click Run. There are no extra steps. The process stays exactly the same from beginning to end. Once you've generated all your video clips, download them. Now import everything into your favorite editing software. You can use any editor you're comfortable with. Arrange the clips in order. Add the dialogues or voiceover. Include background music if you want. Add subtitles. Maybe throw in a few sound effects. After a little editing, you'll have a complete AI-generated video that's ready to upload. And honestly, considering that almost everything was generated using AI, the final result looks surprisingly professional. Step 4. Create high-quality UGC ads. Now let me show you another way to use this workflow. Instead of creating cinematic story videos, you can also create UGC-style ads. And this is where a lot of people are making money because brands are constantly looking for content creators. The first thing you need to do is decide which product you want to promote. It can be anything: a lipstick, a pair of shoes, a face wash, a smartphone, or any other product. For this example, let's create an ad for a face wash. Open ChatGPT again. Now provide all the information about the product. Tell ChatGPT who the character should be, describe the product, explain what the product does, and include any other details you want in the ad. Once you've entered everything, simply ask ChatGPT to generate. Image prompts, video prompts. ChatGPT will create everything for you. Now copy the first image prompt. Go back to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. The process is exactly the same as before. Click Run, and within a few moments your first image will be ready. As you can see, the product is clearly visible in the image. The character also looks realistic. Everything blends together naturally. Now generate the remaining images using the rest of the prompts. Once all your images are finished, it's time to create the videos. Copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT. Open the first image inside Google Flow. Click the three dots. Choose Add to Prompt section. Paste the video prompt. Go into Settings, switch from image to video, and click Run. After a short wait, your UGC video will be ready. And the quality is seriously impressive. The character looks natural, the product is clearly showcased, the movements are smooth, and the final result looks like content that could actually be used in a real advertising campaign. Once you've generated all your video clips, edit them together just like we did with the cinematic video. Add your voiceover if needed, include captions, add background music, and export the final video. Now you can upload these videos to your Instagram account or any other social media platform. If your content starts getting good views and engagement, brands may reach out to you for collaborations. That's one way many creators earn money through brand deals. Final thoughts.
I used to hide my skin behind filters because nothing I tried actually worked. My skin used to feel oily and dry the next. Then I use this. It cleans deeply, feels incredibly gentle, and my skin finally feels fresh every single day. I've genuinely noticed such a difference. My skin feels cleaner, smoother. If you're looking for a face wash that actually feels good to use, I'd definitely giving this one a try.
So that's the complete process of creating AI videos using Google Gemini and Google Flow. If you're interested in making money with AI avatars or creating long-form AI videos, make sure to check out my other video. In that video, I show you a channel that started only 1 month ago and has already earned more than $50,000. Definitely watch that after this one. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.